how to stop microphone auto adjusting volume in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your control panel, open it up, and then go to sound. So once you're in the sound, just go to recording and then tap on microphone array and then go to properties and then you'll be able to see uh, properties advanced in the last tab. Just tap on it and then you can see allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Toggle this off. And then you can also toggle off enable audio enhancement if you want to. Now, microphone will stop adjusting the volumes and you'll have to manually adjust it. So there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.